Hey, marketers and digital dreamers, stop scrolling for just a second. Let me hit you with this. 90% of marketing strategies fail within the first year. Yes, you heard that right. And as we step into 2025, the stakes are getting higher, the competition is getting tougher, and the rules of the game, they're changing faster than ever. But here's the kicker. Most of these failures, totally preventable. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 biggest reasons why marketing strategies will fail in 2025. Stick with me because if you're serious about winning in this hyper-competitive landscape, the last reason might just save your entire campaign. All right, first up, here's the hard truth. Chasing trends is a losing game. Think about it. Every other brand is out here hopping on TikTok dances, meme trends, and whatever the algorithm gods favor that week. And sure, those things might get you a quick spike in engagement, but what happens after? Crickets. In 2025, trend chasing will become the ultimate trap. Why? Because consumers, especially Gen Z and Gen Alpha, are over it. They're craving authenticity. They want brands that feel real, human, and dare I say it, vulnerable. If all you're doing is chasing the next viral moment, you're going to end up looking like that awkward cousin at the family party trying way too hard to be cool. Instead of chasing trends, create your own voice. Build campaigns that connect with people's emotions, their values, and their experiences. Let me give you an example. Remember when Spotify dropped their Wrapped campaign? That wasn't just a marketing stunt. It was a cultural moment. Why? Because it celebrated the user. It wasn't about Spotify. It was about you and your music journey. Here's the takeaway. Trends fade, but connections last. Stop trying to go viral. Start trying to matter. Okay, let's move to reason number 2. Ready? Flying blind in 2025 is not an option. I'm sorry, but if you're still running campaigns based on gut feelings and this worked last year, you're toast. The marketing world is drowning in data, behavioral analytics, AI insights, heat maps, social sentiment tracking, you name it. And yet so many brands are not using it effectively. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine a chef who has every single ingredient in the world at their disposal, but decides to wing it with salt, pepper, and ketchup. That's what you're doing if you ignore data. In 2025, data isn't just a tool, it's your survival kit. But, and this is a big but, don't just collect data. Interpret it, understand it, act on it. Here's a quick tip. The brands that win will be the ones using predictive analytics to anticipate customer needs before the customer even knows what they want. Think Amazon suggesting exactly what you need before you've even started searching. That's where we're headed. And let's not forget personalization. Remember, 75% of consumers are more likely to buy from a brand that recognizes them by name or recommends products based on their past behavior. Insert mind-blown emoji here. The bottom line? If you're not leveraging data to its full potential, your competitors will, and they'll leave you in the dust. All right, here it is, the big one. The one that's going to make or break marketing strategies in 2025. The rise of the creator economy. Listen up. The way people consume content is shifting. Ads? People skip them. Emails? Straight to spam. But creators? They're trusted. They're relatable. And they're shaping buying decisions like never before. In fact, 86% of Gen Z trust influencers more than traditional ads. The problem? Most brands aren't evolving fast enough to work with creators in meaningful ways. Throwing free products at influencers isn't going to cut it anymore. You need to collaborate, not dictate. Partner with creators in a way that feels organic and mutually beneficial. Take the example of Gymshark. They didn't just work with fitness influencers, they built a community around them. They empowered creators to co-create, to share their authentic experiences with the brand. And guess what? That authenticity turned into loyalty, which turned into sales. Lots of them. But here's the catch. The creator economy isn't just about influencers. It's about recognizing that everyone, from micro-influencers to your most loyal customers, has the power to shape your brand narrative. Your job? Empower them. And for the love of marketing, don't forget about UGC, user-generated content. It's raw, it's real, and it's what people trust. In 2025, brands that fail to leverage the voices of their customers will fall behind. So there you have it. The 3 reasons marketing strategies will fail in 2025. Chasing trends instead of creating connections, ignoring data-driven insights, and failing to adapt to the creator economy. But here's the good news. Now that you know the pitfalls, you can avoid them. 2025 doesn't have to be the year your strategy flops. It can be the year your brand stands out, connects, and thrives. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and don't let 2025 be the year your marketing strategy crashes and burns. You've got this. And before we wrap up, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Share this video, give it a like, and leave a comment below. I genuinely want to know what you think. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated with more content like this. Also, if you enjoy diving into topics like marketing, tech, digital strategies, leadership, and mindfulness, be sure to check out my podcast. New episodes drop every Tuesday, where I explore the ideas that matter most to me and, hopefully, to you. I'll see you there.